And then I'll be getting ready with a bunch of rowdy skydivers in the back. That'll also be super fun. The world's weird right now. We're talking about cats and skydiving and all that fun stuff. And I have coffee. You can't complain when there's coffee. It's been a long time since I turned my camera on. What's up, everyone, and welcome to today's video. If you are new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Manders, and we talk about a lot of things here. Mostly makeup and skincare, sometimes nail polish. We have the occasional unboxing, and I almost always drop something. If you're interested in any of those things, please stick around, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. I am back, and we are doing Mask Monday. Today, we are using the Stay Calm Soothing Sheet Masks from Give Them LaLa Skin. These are aloe infused. I tried the eyeshadow and lip glosses from this brand and they were terrible. So I figured, you know what? I have not been here. I can't even remember the last time I turned my camera on. I can't remember the last time I filmed. I think I was at the trailer. I did an eyeshadow palette review. We are back. It is August. I am ready to get back into our routine. I'm going to put this mask on and we're just gonna talk about it. I'm gonna read the back of this. Soothe and soften your skin in a flash with our Stay Calm Soothing Sheet Masks, infused with naturally calming ingredients like aloe, chamomile, licorice root, and this sheet mask will leave your skin feeling hydrated, soft, and visibly smoother in just one use. Directions: remove sheet mask from its packaging and unfold. Smooth over clean face and leave on for 10 to 20 minutes. Remove the mask and massage any remaining product into your skin. Use once only. Discard the sheet mask after use. Cool, that's cool. I received these in a boxy charm. I didn't do an unboxing because I think that boxy charm just was really bad. I didn't like it. It was just not a good one. So it comes out like this. It does have, it's one of those ones that has like the plastic sheet so that it's easier to unfold. I do appreciate that. However, I'm not being successful. Oh, there we go. All right. I decided to film in my living room today. I really haven't filmed like at all lately. I decided to film out here just because it's open. Also, I am currently, well, this is gonna be, hold on. What the? It's not horror movie like at all. We're just gonna, it's a little big. All right, hold on. Oh. All right, it's very, oh, shit. Fuck. Okay. Actually, there's not really any scent. Actually, okay. Feels nice. The material for the sheet mask itself, it's pretty good. Just let me, let's just do that just so this fits a little bit better. This is like really tight fitting though. But it actually, it's not terrible. Hold on, let's just adjust this. So it says to leave on for 10-20 minutes. It probably won't be here with you that long, but she's here. This is the cat that I am house sitting. Her name is Scarlet. Hey Scarlet. Hey Scarlet. Show us your face. Yeah, she's over there. She's stalking one of the other cats. She is a third of the size of my other two cats, and when I was here with them when we first did the transition, I stayed home for the weekend because that's where I've been. I've been working part-time at the skydive center where my husband works on the weekends, so I spend most of my weekends there. So this weekend I was there and I left the cats here alone. And I was a little worried that maybe they were still fighting, but for the most part, I think they don't hate each other as much as they did when I first got them. She's a third of the size of my two cats, and they were scared shitless of her. It was awesome. I have been at the Skydive Center. It's my happy place. I love it there so much. My husband is now a paid skydiver, so that is what we have been working for the last 2 years since he got into the sport. So it's a very exciting time for him. He's been doing a lot of great stuff. I've been using a lot of makeup, so after this video I do plan on sitting down and filming some more. I've been using a lot of makeup. I just have not been filming myself use any makeup, and I haven't really been documenting it very much. I've just been kind of taking time for me. I like the size of it. I like that it came with this. Made it a lot easier and a little bit more fun. It's sitting on my skin really easily. You know how sometimes you get a sheet mask and it's just like wants to slide? This feels like the material just wants to stay in place, and I'm doing a pretty good job. I'm trying not to touch it too much. Is because I'm talking. There is no scent. It doesn't smell like anything to me. It says that there's perfume in it. Why can't I smell it? I have decided, I've been trying really hard to kind of decide what I want to do. I don't really talk about my private life a lot here, but the job I currently do, it's not that I don't like it, it's just that I feel like I'm kind of at a turning point in my life where maybe I want to do something a little bit different. I just don't know what I want to do. So then I kind of was like, maybe I should utilize my YouTube a little bit more because this is something that I want to do. So here we are, I'm doing a mask review and we're talking about cats and skydiving and all that fun stuff. And I have coffee. You can't complain when there's coffee. I hope everyone's doing amazing. The world's weird right now. This cat super got the zooms. She's very cute. She reminds me of Sassy from Home. Ever since I realized that you could trim this part, game changer when it comes to sheet masks. I haven't been doing a lot of sheet masks lately. It's the summertime. I'm a lot less likely to do them in the summer, more likely in the winter. But this morning I woke up and it's Monday, so I thought Mask Monday would be a really nice way to get back into things. And then I thought, well, I didn't like this brand's makeup, so maybe I'll like their skincare. I'm gonna try and find the video. No offense. Give them LaLa Beauty, but that eyeshadow palette I tried did not work. And then I had some lip glosses that I never even talked about here. They just stained, and I didn't like that. They just didn't work for me. This, however, is feeling really nice. No tingling sensation, no cold sensation, just serum on a mask. That makes me happy. This did come with 4, so there's 3 more. That's the one thing I do like about BoxyCharm. Like I said, it was kind of a crappy box, but whatever. I don't mind. Sometimes it doesn't matter if I don't like everything in the box, because I like at least one thing in the box every single time. And if this is the thing that I like in the box, then sweet. Actually, I think this box came with an eyeshadow palette too, so maybe I just didn't want to unbox it because I was being lazy. So the no buy is going as it's a low buy now, as it was before. I haven't bought any makeup, except for replacement items. I want to buy makeup so badly sometimes, but I just fight the urge by realizing everything else costs so much money that I can't even think about buying makeup. Like, it makes my brain hurt. So we'll probably be talking about a lot of like stash type stuff still. I'm not going to be doing any hauls. We won't be seeing any new makeup, I don't think. What I have is what I have. I was really like thinking about it the other day. I was like, you know what? I would really like to order some makeup, but every time I think about ordering makeup, I'm like, why? Why would you do that? If I really sit down and look at my makeup collection, it's unrealistic. I am going to film an eyeshadow palette review, like a multi-palette review, because I have so many of these eyeshadow palettes that I never use, that I've had my collection long enough now that I'm like, you just need to just film something. And even if I'm gonna I might be doing some palette mix and match in the next little while. Get ready for those. That's actually something I was really thinking about. Do let me know in the comments below if you're interested in that for eyeshadow. I'm thinking doing 2 palettes, 1 look for a lot of things, because I find lately one palette doesn't do it for me. Yeah, just really doesn't. We've had this on for about 8 minutes now, probably. It's at 10 to 20 minutes, probably only gonna leave it on 10. Just because once I can feel that it starts doing this, so it says I'm gonna have hydrated, soft, and visibly smoother skin in just one use. My skin has been shit lately. I don't know why. I think it's stress related, maybe. I'm actually going to, after this video, be sitting down, and at some point today, I am going to talk about all the different skincare that I've been using lately. And I'm actually very happy with the skincare I've been using lately, but I feel like it's stress and hormones are giving me a really hard time. Still pretty wet. The only reason this is doing this is because I've been touching it. So I only did the one skydive since I don't even know if I talked about it. I don't even know if I talked about that skydive. It was pretty freaking fun though. I'll definitely be doing another skydive this month. I am hopefully going to be able to do a get ready with me on the plane. That's something I'm really excited for. So that'll be good. Which kind of scares the crap out of me because I am perfectly comfortable getting in that plane with a parachute on, jumping out of it. But I don't want to land in one. It's not that I don't want to land in the plane. It's because when you are a jump plane, you have to get below them really quickly, and you have to get away from them because that's just the way it works. So typically, as soon as the last person jumps, they dive the plane so that they can get lower than the skydivers quickly. That part scares the shit out of me. Every time someone's like, you could sit co-pilot any day of the week you want, and I'm like, I know, but it scares the shit out of me. But I need to co-pilot, do a get ready with me. So that our pilot obviously is the one who's the pilot, and I will just be doing my makeup because that'll give me about I don't know, and then I'll be getting ready with a bunch of rowdy skydivers in the back. That'll also be super fun. Really excited for that. I'm going to take this off now and peel it off. I'm just gonna give it a second to kind of absorb in, so not feeling sticky at all. I usually just massage if there's like any left. I can't tell if it like looks visibly smoother or anything. Let's just give it a few seconds. It feels nice though. And I feel like it didn't do anything to my skin. Like it's not giving me any redness. It's not giving me any adverse effects right off the bat. Just dry it. Yeah, actually, I think I really like this mask. As far as I can tell, I'm giving this a 4 out of 5. Just because I hate giving things 5 out of 5. 4.5 out of 5. Pretty good. Pretty good. Not going to complain. As far as soothing goes, yeah, absolutely. If there is a scent, I can't really smell it. All this was a win. I am very happy with this mask. Actually, I like how much of my face it was able to cover as well. Like it was really got under my eyes. Yeah, 4.5 out of 5. This is pretty good. Thank you all so much for hanging out with me today. I absolutely cannot wait to see you in my next video. And I will talk to you all soon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.